A lot of people, most especially people that don't stay here, when I mean here, this part of the side, this part of the world that we are staying, people here who has crossed to the other side, most majority of them ask me, this my cap, stay one place. So majority of them ask me that they don't have kola nuts over there. That sometimes they're a bit confused on the things they will be using for their devotion. Yeah, right. Okay. Libation, devotion, whichever one you call it, it will answer you. So if you don't have kola nuts, I've said this thing several times. You must not use kola nut. Sometimes I prefer you using items according to your energy, because energy differs. There are so many people that when they do libation with water, they get answers immediately or very fast. If you are that kind of person, why not always use water? Then there are some people that when they use sand to do their libation, they get answers very fast. Why don't you start using sand? So there are some people that when they use sweet things for their libation, they get answers fast than when they use other items. Onwere onye tili gi iwu that you must always use kola nut. No. There are some things, when I mean things, edible things beside you that you can actually use for your libation or devotion or whichever one you call it. You can actually use fruits. I'm passing this message across specifically for most of our people who are not based here in Bongo, who are based the other side of the world. You understand what I mean? Find yourself most of the edible things in your kitchen. Do you know you can actually use garlic to do your libation? You can actually use onions. If you know how to do this, you can actually use them. You can actually use apple. You can actually use oranges. You can use a lot of things. You can use salt that you can even find in your kitchen. You can use it for your libation. Why don't you start using these things? It will help you. So this is honey, right? Get me honey. If you don't have kola nut wherever you are based, get me honey. You can get honey in your supermarket, anywhere. When you get honey, very early in the morning when you are about going out, there are some people that once they wake up from bed, they will do their normal morning cleansing routine. I'm going to talk about that morning cleansing routine because there are so many people that once they jump out from bed, you will see them, they will start doing their libations. It doesn't work like that. Sometimes you need to cleanse yourself of negativity that you woke up from bed with. You understand what I mean? You cleanse yourself before you start your new day libation. So I know a lot of people will still ask me, how do you cleanse yourself in the morning? I will come to that. I will still talk about that. Okay? So now we are talking about honey. After cleansing yourself, you get me honey. Okay, I was talking about there are some people that likes to do their devotion or libation. Once they get up from bed, they do their normal morning cleansing. They will do their libation. There are some people that do it when they are about going out. Then there are some people that do it when they get to their working place. Whichever way you love to do your own, according to your daily schedule, no problem. Just get me honey. This honey, use it. You can open it and bring out little from it. You can actually get another thing. It must not be the cover. You can actually get another thing. Pour small. You keep this one. Then you start saying your intentions. We all know that this thing signifies sweet things. Everybody wants sweet things to be happening in their lives. Say your intentions. After saying your intentions, drop it like 4 drops on the floor. Then lick little. You go your way. You must not use kola all the time. So this is about honey. Get ready because I'm going to be bringing you these small things that you need to know. But please, I beg you, when I finish talking about this, listen to it very well, properly. before you start jumping into my DM to start asking me the same thing I just finished talking about. Sometimes it's very tired. The thing they make me weak. I understand. Okay, bye bye. Ciao. See you next time.